Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we found about the fantastic world of Japanese writing system. Today, we are going to deep dive and master hiragana. Hiragana consists of 46 characters and we are going to tackle the foundation today, the vowel line A, E, I, O, U and the K and S line. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. In Japanese, the pronunciation of letter A is something like the combination of A and H in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line and then curve it downward slightly, like a gentle hook. From top to bottom, draw a straight vertical line that curves gently to the left at the end. Start from the middle right and draw a curved line, swooping around to the left, form a loop at the bottom. The pronunciation of letter I in Japanese is something like combination of capital E and small e in English. Let's see how to write it. Start at the top left, draw a short diagonal line going slightly downward to the right. From the top right, draw a longer diagonal line curving down gently to the left. The pronunciation of letter U in Japanese is something like the combination of double O in English. Let's see how to write it in Japanese. Start at the top left, draw a small curved stroke going downward slightly to the right. From the middle of the first stroke, draw a longer curve that bends to the left and finish with a small upward hook. The pronunciation of letter E in Japanese is something like the combination of E and H in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line at the top. From the middle left, draw a slightly curved line downward. Finish with a large curved stroke starting from the middle right, swooping down to the left and ending with a small hook. The pronunciation of letter O in Japanese is like the combination of O and H in English. Now let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line at the top. From the top left, draw a vertical line downward and then curve it slightly to the left. Start from the middle right, draw a looping curve around to the left and finish with a small hook at the bottom. If you take the vowels and add K at front of them, you will get the K line of hiragana. Now let's see how this sounds. Ka, ka. The pronunciation of character ka in Japanese is something like the combination of K, A and H in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a vertical line from top to bottom. Add a small diagonal stroke to the right, slightly above the middle. Draw a curved stroke at the bottom going left and forming a hook. Ki, ki. The pronunciation of letter ki in Japanese is something like the combination of A-double-E in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a vertical line from top to bottom. Draw a horizontal stroke near the top. Add a small curved stroke to the right side. Add another small curved stroke below the third one. K, k. The pronunciation of character ku in Japanese is something like the combination of K double O in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a single curved stroke starting at the top left and curving smoothly downward to the right. K, k. The pronunciation of letter K in Japanese is something like the combination of K-E-H in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a vertical line. Draw a short horizontal stroke at the top. Add a curved stroke starting near the middle right and looping to the left.
こ、こ、
The pronunciation of character ko in Japanese is something like the combination of KOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line at the top. Below it, draw another short line slightly longer than the first. If you take vowels and add S at front of them, you will get the S line of hiragana. But take notice, the character shi in hiragana is the combination of SHI in English. Now let's see how this sounds.
さ、さ、
The pronunciation of character sa in Japanese is the combination of SAH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a vertical line from top to bottom. Add a curved stroke starting from the top right going to the left. Draw a small hook stroke at the bottom.
ち、ち、
The pronunciation of character she in Japanese is the combination of SHEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a single smooth curve starting at the top left, curving down to the right like a smooth flowing hook.
す、す、
The pronunciation of character su in Japanese is the combination of SOO in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a small loop stroke at the top left. From the loop, draw a curved line down to the right, finish with a small hook.
せ、せ、
The pronunciation of character se in Japanese is the combination of SEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal stroke at the top. Draw a vertical stroke downward from the left hand. Draw a curved stroke on the right, forming a hook at the bottom.
そ、そ、
The pronunciation of character so in Japanese is a combination of SOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a single stroke starting at the top left, making a loop in the middle, curving down to the right.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice what we have just learned.
あ、あ、い、い、ぶ、ぶ、え、え、お、お、か、か、き、き、く、く、け、け、こ、こ、さ、さ、ち、ち、す、す、せ、せ、
Let's practice with hiragana characters only.
あ、あ、い、い、ぶ、ぶ、え、え、お、お、
Let's put these characters to use. Here are some real Japanese words using what you have just learned.
愛、愛、
The word I means love.
池、池、
The word ike means pond.
上、上、
The word ue means up and above.
酒、酒、
The word sake means alcohol.
恋、恋、
The word kohi means love.
寿司、寿司、
Obviously, sushi means sushi.
席、席、
The word siki means seat and couch.
キス、キス、
The word kisu means kiss.
Congratulations, you just have learned 15 hiragana characters. In the next video, we will continue with the next 3 lines. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Jane.